We're a excavating contractor, road work, site work, underground utilities in the southwest Michigan area. This is the largest project Hoffman Brothers has done to date.
This highway project stretches for 23 miles. We've never had our equipment trying to get information from one source at the same time spread out over such a long distance. So we approached SciTech Michigan about the use of the new internet base station technology.
SciTech Michigan is the construction dealership for Michigan for Trimble navigation, for construction machine control products, survey products, construction software, drone surveys.
On a project like this, there are design updates fairly frequently, which require us to get new line work and surface information to our machines. They use that to locate themselves on the project, and then the machine control system controls their blade automatically. Using the Trimble technology that SciTech Michigan helped us set up, we are able to broadcast that information wirelessly through the internet base station. The operators can download that when I let them know there's new information to sync. Currently, we probably have over 150 pieces of equipment in our entire fleet. As far as grade control systems, we've just reached over 40 pieces that we run this technology on.
At Hoffman Brothers, we're always striving to do better, and with the support of SciTech and their products, it helps us.
Not having to run around a job site with USB drives, trying to load data on a rapidly changing project. I mean, it changes probably every single day. And these design changes can be done right in the office, right to the cloud, right to the machines, right to the grade checkers. It just adds to the safety that the connected worksite provides. Less people on the ground in a very dangerous environment.
This technology definitely has improved the quality of the grade that we're able to produce, the speed at which we can perform the work, and it also helps to identify problems in a design before we're actually there. We create new ways to use the information all the time. And if we can find a new way utilizing the stuff that SciTech Michigan has outfitted us with, it's a great day for everybody.
Every year, we just want to go faster. So let's see what we can get to go faster.
The future is bright with the support of SciTech and their products. You know, the sky's the limit.